Hi everyone, this is Tintin. Welcome back to my channel. If you're dreaming of working on a cruise ship as casino dealer, this video is for you. Today, I'll share the most common interview question, tips, and how to prepare to become a successful casino dealer on board. Let's roll the dice and get started. A casino dealer is responsible for running table games like blackjack, poker, roulette, and baccarat. Your job is to manage the game, interact with guests, handle chips, ensure rules are followed, and most importantly, create a fun and professional gaming experience. You'll work in the ship casino, usually open when the ship is in international waters. Did you know casino staff don't just entertain, they train in security awareness and customer service too. It's a high responsibility job with great tips and international experience. To apply as a casino dealer on a cruise ship, most agencies and cruise lines look for experience of at least 1 to 2 years in a land-based casino, knowledge of major games like blackjack, roulette, and poker, casino dealer training certification like TESDA accredited centers in the Philippines are accepted, and last, good English communications. Now let's go to the most exciting part, the interview questions. Here are some of the most asked questions during a casino dealer interview, along with sample answers. Tell us about your experience as a casino dealer. I've been working as a casino dealer for the past 2 years in a local casino. I specialize in blackjack and poker, and I'm also trained in roulette. I enjoy interacting with guests and ensuring the game runs smoothly and fairly. What will you do if a guest accuses you of cheating? First, I will stay calm and respectful. I will explain the game rules clearly and review any incidents with the pit boss or surveillance if necessary. Maintaining professionalism is key in any guest complaint. Why do you want to work on a cruise ship? I want to grow professionally and experience working with an international team. Being a casino dealer on a cruise ship allows me to do what I love while traveling the world and meeting people from different cultures. As a casino dealer on board, your schedule will often rotate in shifts, usually to 6 to 8 hours daily when the casino is open. Remember, the casino is only operational while sailing in international waters. During port days, you may have time off or other duties. Salary ranges from $1,200 to $3,000 monthly plus tips. Some cruise lines even offer commissions or bonuses depending on performance. Accommodations and meals are free. You share a cabin with a roommate and have access to crew areas, gyms, and even onboard crew events. Final tips and motivation. Here are a few tips to stand out in your interview. Practice your dealing speed and accuracy. Dress professionally even if the interview is online. Smile and show confidence. You're not just dealing cards, you're entertaining guests. And last, review the cruise line's background and casino rules. To those who's dreaming of becoming a casino dealer on cruise ship, don't give up. Learn the skills, take the training seriously, and believe in yourself. Every card you deal is a step closer to your goal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship job tips. Comment below if you have questions or video suggestions. See you next time. Good luck!